Alright, so we're up early. About to head out to make a scrap run. Oh, is it safe?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I thought I pulled on everything. It's always good to double check. But yeah, we definitely piled this up pretty high. Alright. We got all that loaded. So I'll bring a hand cart just in case. Yeah, we got this pretty stacked. Make sure nothing falls out. And looks like nothing will blow off. But we did a good job stacking it all on. And now we gotta get to the scrapyard. Hopefully before all the other people do, because a lot of people like to go at the beginning of the week for some reason. Alright, we'll see you guys there. Alright, so we just got here. A little chilly, but looks like they're doing a whole bunch of other stuff around here. Start getting all this unloaded. So it always helps a lot when you have another person and you can make your passenger or something jump out and give the people the ticket and then just wait outside the yard. Because otherwise I gotta come out here, park, walk all the way back in there, give them the ticket, wait there, and then walk all the way back out here. Meanwhile, they just jump out the side of the car, they're right there in line. Any of the other people coming out real quick can't cut you in line, so makes it a lot easier. But don't know how much we made yet. Thinking we made over 200 because I loaded the heck out of my trailer, but then again we didn't have that much stuff on the truck, and my yard at home's looking pretty bare, so may not have another scrap run for at least a week or two. But I always take stuff apart and I'll have another pile going within like a week or two. I pinched my skin right here and it's like swollen. Oh, here comes my mom already. Between the two racks, so not sure how that is gonna go, but we'll get you guys back, see how much we made. Alright, well I thought we had more weight than that. I gotta start checking my weight when I first get there. I saw the 9600, but I didn't see when we first got there, and I thought it said 1400 when we first got there, so they could have ripped me off 2,000 pounds, but you never know. Well, we got $172, that's not that bad, and they're still paying $550 a hundred, which is also not that bad. Alright, we'll see everybody later, and thank you for watching one of my adventures. And oh, Mom, somebody said you're hot on my YouTube.
Yeah, okay.
No, I'm dead serious.
Well, thank you, whoever said that.
And they were asking if you're single.
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Well, do you want me to give them your number? I'm dead serious. I'll show you the comments later.
Okay.
Yes?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Alright, we'll see everybody later. And the guy who thought my mom was hot, which is a little creepy when it's her son, yeah, I'll send you her number.